10 superfoods that can help your heart. Ready to transform your heart health and feel amazing? Discover the top foods that clear your arteries, boost circulation, and keep your heart strong. Plus, the delicious tricks to enjoy them every day. From the power of salmon and avocados to the surprising benefits of dark chocolate and nuts, we're sharing simple, life-changing tips you'll love. Don't miss out. Your heart will thank you for doing this. Welcome to Whole Health, where we bring you the best tips for whole body health and vibrant living. Today, we're diving into foods and lifestyle habits that can transform your cardiovascular health and promote total well-being. Before we continue, please note that the information in this video is for educational purposes only and not intended as a medical advice. Always consult with a healthcare professional before making changes to your diet, lifestyle, or treatment plan. Make sure to subscribe to our channel, and if you have not done so, and at the end of the video, share with us in the comments section which of these foods is your favorite. Now, let's get started. The number one in our list of the food that can transform your cardiovascular is fatty fish. Did you know that adding salmon, mackerel, or sardines to your diet just twice a week can be a game changer for your heart? These powerhouse fish are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, essential nutrients that work wonders for cardiovascular health. Omega-3s help lower harmful triglycerides, reduce inflammation, and even prevent plaque buildup in your arteries, improving blood flow and lowering your risk of heart attack or stroke. Plus, they can help manage blood pressure and keep your blood vessels in top shape. Enjoy these fatty fish grilled, baked, or steamed to maximize their benefits while keeping your meals healthy and delicious. Your heart will thank you. Next time you are out to dine, make sure you order these life-saving safe foods. Number 2. Avocados. Avocados aren't just tasty, they are heart health hero. Packed with monounsaturated fats and powerful antioxidants, these creamy superfoods do wonders for your cardiovascular system. They help lower bad cholesterol or LDL while boosting good cholesterol or HDL, keeping your heart strong and healthy. But the benefits don't stop there. Avocados also stabilize blood sugar levels with their fiber-rich goodness, making them a must-have for overall metabolic health. Whether you slice them into salads, blend them into smoothies, or spread them on whole grain toast, avocados are as versatile as they are nutritious. Add them to your diet regularly and enjoy long-term heart health and total body wellness. Number 3. Watermelon. Think watermelon is just a tasty summer snack? Think again. It's a secret weapon for heart health. This juicy, vibrant fruit is packed with L-citrulline, an amino acid that kicks your body's nitric oxide production into high gear. What does that mean? Better blood flow, relaxed blood vessels, and less strain on your heart, helping to lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart disease. Plus, with its hydrating high water content and natural sweetness, watermelon is a guilt-free replacement for processed snacks. Whether you enjoy it straight from the rind, blend it into a refreshing smoothie, or toss it into a salad, watermelon is a delicious way to show your heart some love. Who knew something so sweet could be so powerful? Number 4. Dark chocolate. Good news for chocolate lovers, dark chocolate can be a heart-healthy indulgence when enjoyed in moderation. Opt for dark chocolate with at least 70% cocoa context to maximize its benefits. It's packed with flavonoids, powerful antioxidants that protect your arteries from oxidative damage, reducing the risk of plaque buildup. Dark chocolate also boasts anti-inflammatory properties that support overall heart health by improving blood flow and reducing blood pressure. Just a small piece can satisfy your sweet tooth while providing these cardiovascular benefits. Incorporate it into your diet as an occasional treat, knowing that a little indulgence can go a long way in supporting a healthy heart. Number 5. Leafy greens. Spinach, kale, and arugula are more than just leafy greens. They are nutrient-dense superfoods that provide a wealth of health benefits. Rich in fiber, these greens support digestive health and help regulate cholesterol levels, Their high potassium content plays a crucial role in maintaining healthy blood pressure by counteracting the effects of sodium in the diet. Additionally, these greens are loaded with powerful antioxidants, including lutein and beta-carotene, which reduce inflammation and protect against oxidative stress, key factors in heart disease prevention. While they are excellent in salads, don't limit yourself. You can also add them to smoothies, stir-fries, or soups for a delicious and heart-healthy boost. Making these greens a regular part of your meals can help you manage blood pressure and support overall cardiovascular health. Number 6. Nuts. Nuts like almonds, walnuts, pistachios, and hazelnuts are small but mighty when it comes to heart health. They are packed with heart-healthy fats, including monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, which help lower bad cholesterol while boosting good cholesterol. In addition to their beneficial fats, nuts are a great source of fiber and antioxidants, which work together to improve cholesterol levels and reduce inflammation. Research shows that consuming nuts in moderation can significantly lower the risk of heart disease. A small handful makes a satisfying snack or a nutritious topping for salads, yogurt, or oatmeal. Just be mindful of portion sizes to enjoy their benefits without overdoing the calories. Number 7. Legumes. Legumes, including beans, lentils, and chickpeas, are a nutritional powerhouse that supports heart health in multiple ways. They are rich in plant-based protein, making them an excellent meat alternative, and packed with fiber, which helps lower cholesterol levels and improve digestion. These versatile foods are also loaded with essential minerals like magnesium and potassium, which play a key role in regulating blood pressure and supporting overall cardiovascular function. With a low glycemic index, legumes provide sustained energy and help maintain stable blood sugar levels. Incorporate them into your diet by adding them to soups, stews, and salads, or enjoy them in dips like hummus for a delicious and heart-healthy boost. Number 8. Olive oil and vinegar. Enhance your salads with a powerful combination of extra virgin olive oil and vinegar for a heart-healthy flavor boost. Olive oil, especially when cold-pressed, is rich in monounsaturated fats and antioxidants that reduce inflammation, support healthy cholesterol levels, and protect against heart disease. Pair it with apple cider vinegar or balsamic vinegar, both rich in acetic acid, which helps regulate blood sugar levels, mobilize bile salts for better digestion, and improve cholesterol metabolism. This duo not only elevates the taste of your salads, but also delivers significant cardiovascular benefits, making it a simple and delicious way to support your heart health. Number 9. Garlic. Garlic is a powerful natural remedy for improving circulation and supporting heart health. Its active compounds, particularly allicin, help widen blood vessels, promoting better blood flow throughout the body. Garlic also works to lower LDL cholesterol levels while boosting good HDL cholesterol, reducing the risk of plaque buildup in the arteries. Additionally, it helps regulate blood pressure by relaxing blood vessels and reducing strain on the heart. Whether used fresh, powdered, or roasted, garlic is a versatile ingredient that can enhance the flavor of your meals while delivering these impressive health benefits. Incorporating garlic into your diet regularly is a simple yet effective way to support your cardiovascular system and overall well-being. Number 10. Turmeric. Turmeric, often referred to as a golden spice, is a powerful anti-inflammatory ally with remarkable health benefits, particularly for your heart and circulation. Its active compound, curcumin, works to reduce inflammation in the body, which is a key factor in the development of cardiovascular diseases. By preventing the buildup of plaque in the arteries, turmeric helps maintain smooth and unobstructed blood flow, reducing the risk of heart attacks and strokes. Additionally, curcumin supports healthy blood circulation by improving the flexibility of blood vessels. Incorporate turmeric into your diet by adding it to soups, teas, smoothies, or stir fries and pair it with black pepper to enhance its absorption and maximize its health benefits. In conclusion, maintaining a healthy heart goes beyond diet. It's about embracing a balanced lifestyle. Regular exercise such as walking, jogging, or yoga strengthens the heart, improves circulation, and helps manage stress. Adequate sleep is equally important as it allows your body to repair and reduces stress hormones that can negatively impact heart health. Staying hydrated supports optimal blood flow and helps regulate blood pressure. Additionally, limiting your intake of sugar and processed foods is crucial for reducing inflammation and preventing arterial damage caused by excess fats and harmful additives. By combining these lifestyle habits with a heart-healthy diet, you can significantly lower your risk of cardiovascular disease and enhance your overall well-being. Your heart deserves the best care. Start with these foods and habits to take control of your health today. Together, let's live healthier and happier. Make sure to check out our other health-focused videos for even more tips to boost your well-being. Thank you so much for watching. We'd love to hear from you. Share your experiences with heart-healthy foods in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, share it with someone who could benefit, and subscribe to our channel for more life-changing health content.